Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, YouTube. How is everybody doing today? Today is Monday. Today is 4/27/2020. Guys, this is going to be a great Monday for me. I'm hoping it's going to be a great Monday for you guys. Yeah, we're still in the situation that we were in Friday as far as still got the coronavirus. Still not much solutions going on in the world besides our president saying that, this whole thing with Lysol, I don't even want to get back into that stupidness. But anyway, guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna try to help you guys make some money today like I usually do. A lot of stocks are moving today because we didn't have that much bad news over the weekend. During the week, it's a whole different story, but they're gonna try to open the economy back up, so that's a positive thing. So the stock market is trying to react in a positive way. So quite a few of these stocks are gonna start moving. We still have the same situation with the oil, so don't expect that to get any better anytime soon. Besides that, guys, a lot of the stocks that we were trading Friday are still gonna be doing good things today, especially some of my favorite stocks: vxrt, ino, codx, NVAX, and NVC. AIM is moving today, IBIO is moving today, WTHR is moving today, and most of the weed stocks are going to be moving today. ACB, GCG, there's a couple more I can't remember right now. ACB, GCG, TLRY, OG. There's a few more, guys. Plan your own plan and trade your own trade. I'm just saying. All right, guys, welcome back to the list. This is today's list. Guys, I ran out of space on the paper to put the stocks. There were so many, but regardless, you guys should come out very well today if you trade at least one of these stocks on here. Guys, I was trying to do a video over the weekend to kind of explain how I take my trades and why I pick the stocks that I pick and blah, blah, blah. But I didn't really have enough time to get it done this weekend. I was kind of busy, trust me. So anyway, guys, that's my list. Real quick, for example, this morning, one of the top moving stocks this morning is NAKD. NAKD is a stock I've traded before. Last week it was doing a little bit of movements. Today, in the pre-markets, I've seen it go up 200% from where it's sitting. So for me, yeah, that's an indication of what's to come today. Hopefully, it might not go all the way up to 200%, but the movement that it's going to make is enough for us to make money on. Guys, how do I go into a stock like this real quick before I call these out? Some of my friends that I recommend buying these stocks to are telling me that they bought them. The stock was up in the morning, they bought it, and then it either sat there or went back down or whatever the case is. That's how the stock market works. The key is to find a good entry point and to plan a good exit point. And when I say find a good entry point, what I mean is, guys, if I recommend a stock to you like NAKD in the morning, like now, it's about 7.55, and it's going up like it is 200%, da-da-da-da. Now, when the market opens, depending on the stock, if it's a good enough company, if the news is good enough, if the volume is there, it's going to keep going up, no problem. But what happens a lot of times is, a lot of these stocks, when the market opens, it'll go up another 10, 20 cents, and then it'll do a pullback. It'll fall back down. Let's say it's $2 a share, and the market opens, and it goes up to $2.20. Then all of a sudden, you see it coming back down. It hits $1.90, $1.85, $1.70. What do? Do you panic? All right, first of all, if the stock is 200% up already and it's sitting at $2, I'm not gonna buy it for $2 when it's already at 200% up. That's not a good move unless it's a solid company. They have solid news. Earnings reports are looking good. All of the paperworks are looking good. They have X amount of employees. Do your research before you jump into most of these stocks. That's why I try to put the videos out a little bit earlier so you could go and check it out before you buy it. So back to this thing. If it was 200% up and it's sitting at $2 per share when the market's about to open, me, the kind of person I am, is I'm going to put in a limit order to buy it at a limit price. I would more than likely look at the chart, see where it was trading at Friday, the past week, where it was trading, how much it moved per minute, so I'll have an idea where's a good point to get in and where I want to get out. Guys, I'm a short trader. I buy and I sell quick, just about the same day. All my accounts are cash accounts. That's the only way you could move the way I move in the markets, is if you have cash accounts. Otherwise, you're gonna have the PDT rule. I don't like the PDT rule. That's why all my accounts are cash accounts. I've learned that years ago. Anyway, guys, yeah, so something like that was 200% up, $2 a share. Especially NAKD today for me. I'm probably going to try to trade it, but my limit order on this, because originally it was sitting at about 44 cents per share, and right now I've seen it go up to $2 a share. Don't get caught holding the bag. You don't want to buy it for $2 a share, and then it does a little volume move, and then it comes back down to that 40, 50 cents. That's a whole $1.50 risk right there. Anyways, we'll get into risk and stuff like that in another video, but basically, a good price point to buy this stock, if it's going to keep going up, and you won't know until the market's open and other stuff happens, but don't buy it for $2 a share. The best bet is to wait for it to do what it's doing, come back down, then get into it, and then get out of it when it's moving. So if you could get into it for like $1.30, $1.40, try to sit there and let it go up to about $1.80, $1.90, hopefully $2, then you made some money. But don't try to buy it for $2 and think it's gonna go up to $5, $10, $6, $7. No, I don't think that stock is that great of a stock. They had some good news today. I'll put the news in the video that I had that they said that they had going on. And yeah, it's gonna make the stock move quite a bit. But don't get caught holding the bag. And that goes for any stock. If it's already up, don't buy it when it's up unless the news is that good and the company is that good. For instance, INO or CODX. Now, being that those stocks are up and they're already going up, and we're still trying to deal with the coronavirus, that's a whole different story. That stock is going to be in play for a long time. It's going to be doing the up and down thing for a long time. So there's many opportunities to get in and out, which is what you need to do. Any day now, trust me, you could get up and look for that stock market to open at 9 o'clock, and then they don't open, and then you hear that something happened in the world and Wall Street is no more and you done lost your whole butt. Trust me, it's not impossible. Anyway, guys, enough of that. Let me go on to the list. I'm going to call out my first 10 stocks on here as usual, and these are not in order. These are just me calling out. On the very top at the left, I have some that I put in order, how I would trade them early in the morning. So the first one, aytu. Sorry. First stock on the list here, number one is NAKD, and that one went up. When I did the list, it went up 186.48%. Recently, I had a message on my phone saying that it went up to 200 and some percent. I didn't check it again yet, but plan your own plan, trade your own trade. Then I have NAKD. Yeah, that was the first one. Then I have AYTU. AYTU went up 42.86%, and it's sitting at 46. It went up 42.86%, and it's sitting at $4.05 per share. Then I have MMLP, which went up 65.73%, and it was sitting at $4.11 per share. Then I had axsm. That one went up 49.21%, and it was sitting at $114 per share. Then I have avdl, which went up 42.42%, sitting at $14 per share. Then I had mdgs, which went up 34.21%, sitting at $2.55 per share. Then I had CTIC, which went up 39.46%, and it's sitting at $1.23 per share. Then I have XPL, which went up 33.53%, sitting at only 34 cents per share. At the bottom here, number 10, I have dkng. I think that's DraftKings, and it went up 19.53%, and it's sitting at $20.50 per share. DraftKings is a good stock, guys. At the bottom, I have a few more fire stocks. I have FAMI, I have IDXG, I have SFET, XSPA, SPCB, TLSA, TLRY, CGC, and ACB. Those are a couple of weed stocks. At the very top, guys, these are the ones that are more in order, more like what I'm going to be trading this morning and how I'm going to go about them. First one is NAKD. Next one is AYTU. After that, I have AXSM. then I have vxrt, then I have ino, then I have apha, then I have luv, then spce, then I have snap, Snapchat, then I have rdhl, then meip, then pfe, then amrn, then SQ for squared, then TLSA, then MFA, that's that New York deal with financing, then I have TDOC, Teledoc. Yeah, guys, those are my fire stocks for this morning. On the very right side of the page, I have a few more stocks and I know where else to put them. I have TOPS, SHIP, QEP, FRAN, CPLP, SNAP, ET, NAT, ELTK. Guys, if you're gonna get into TOPS or SHIP, be real careful. They're really cheap. The first time I bought them, I think I bought for 14 cents a share. I sold at 48 cents a share. And then after that, they had a public offering and the prices went back down. It went back down to like 14 or 18 cents per share. So I bought some more and I'm waiting for it to go up a little bit to take some more profits. If you get into a stock like this, 14 cents, 18 cents a share, remember, 90% chance they are not in compliance with the NASDAQ, with the stock markets. They're out of compliance. There's a good possibility that they might get kicked off for the whole stock market trading thing, or they could do something good and get back into compliance or whatever the case is. So while it's in that volatile state, that's how I make a lot of money on these stocks, because I know they want to get back into compliance. Some of them don't, some of them do. But if it's that low, they're going to try to go up. But a lot of times they do a lot of public offerings, a lot of stuff to drop the price of the stock, and then you're left hole in the bag. So you got to be careful. If you get in there, make sure you get out right away. Don't even take your eye off of it. Trust me. Anyway, guys, this is my list for today. These are my fire stocks for this morning. You can look out about 1 o'clock for me to do my fire stocks updated list. I basically just give you guys a whole nother list for the afternoon, going into the afternoon, just in case you didn't make any money in the morning. A lot of the stocks I give you in the afternoon, well, a lot of the stocks that I trade in the afternoon, a lot of times in the morning, they have a lot of volume. They're going up and I make money on them either way. But that's a whole nother scenario. Anyway, guys, thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for everybody who subscribed. I really appreciate it, guys. I have a few messages I'm going to try to answer today. A lot of people send me messages, asking me questions, and I will be trying to respond to them today. I was very busy over the weekend, so I really couldn't get to it, trust me. Yeah, so those are what I'm going to be trading today. Remember to be real careful. There's a lot more stocks moving that I couldn't even put on the list. I mean, I could have made 2 lists, but I don't want to overwhelm people. I want you to look up here from 1 to 10, pick a stock, or on the top, pick a stock and look it up, research it, make a move on it, make some money, and go about your day. It's that simple. So yeah, check it out. That's my list. A lot of stocks are not on here that are moving, like VXRT, INO, CODX, NVAX, NNVC, IBIO, AIM, HTBX, WTRH, APRN. So many. Look at my previous videos, I put it that way. Most of those stocks are moving this morning on the hopes that we'll be able to reopen the economy, which I really don't agree with. We're not there yet. We're just gonna go back and get a whole whammy, like a whole smackdown. Not good. Anyway, guys, thanks again. Remember, I have a Twitter page and I have one on Instagram, so you can check me out, Jamaica Stock Trader, either on IG or YouTube. Thank you for watching the video. Catch you guys maybe 1 o'clock. That's the list for today. Guys, remember, if I have any updates to put in this video, I will be putting it in the description of the video. If there are more stocks that are moving that I didn't get a chance to put on my list because it's only 8 o'clock right now, then, about 9 something before the market opens, I'll put them in the description of the video. So that's where you could go to see if there's an update. Remember, guys, if you sign up for Webull. Webull is one of the platforms that I use to trade with. They're a very good platform, zero commission. They have good scanners, they have good information, they give you good analytics about the stocks. So I use Webull. That's one of the reasons why I use it. If you sign up for Webull with the link in the description of the video that I'm putting here, you're gonna get 2 free stocks. I'm gonna get 2 free stocks. It's a promotion that they got going on, and it's really cheap to fund your account. When I did it, it was like $12 that you needed to fund your account, and you could start trading with that or whatever you want to put. I also use TD Ameritrade, TD TOS, and I use Merrill Lynch, Bank of America. Anyway, guys, thanks again. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.